Rice Lake Weighing System's Bariatric Handrail scales are designed for patients who need extra support and safety during weighments. Available with 1,000-pound capacity and optional seat, each model features a large, non-skid platform to safely weigh all patients. Each scale utilizes motion trap movement compensation technology, which presents a steady, accurate weight reading even when patients cannot remain completely still. Make sure the scale is placed on a flat, level surface and access to the platform is unobstructed. It should be oriented so the patient can easily enter and exit the scale. Do not place the scale on thick carpeting. The scale should not be placed beneath heating or cooling vents or areas with environmental vibration. Avoid touching the patient while the weight is being captured, as additional pressure on the scale will influence the weighment's accuracy. All Rice Lake bariatric scales feature units of measurement locking, which prevents the operator from unknowingly switching the scale between kilograms and pounds, or vice versa. This essential safety feature helps prevent dosing errors due to calculations based on incorrect units of measure. Front panel display keys include 0 and tare. 0 clears the weight displayed on the scale, returning it to 0, while tare is used to subtract the weight of additional items, such as oxygen tanks, IV bags, or other equipment, from the scale to pinpoint only the weight of the patient. Proper care and cleaning is essential to ensure a long life of effective operation. Rice Lake's bariatric scales are easy to clean. Simply disconnect the scale from its power source and use a damp cloth or tissue to clean all external surfaces. Mild soap and water may be used. However, isopropyl alcohol should not be used as it may damage the display surface. Dry with a clean, soft cloth. 2 heavy-duty rear wheels makes the scale simple and effortless to move and store. Rice Lake Weighing System sets a high standard in medical weighing equipment. The combination of efficiency, safety, and scale features with the added value of 70+ years of weighing technology leadership makes the company the industry's leading choice. From hospitals to clinics and health clubs, any health or fitness environment can utilize Rice Lake's proven scale technology, all with legendary service and support.